Now, scaling from a small exporter to an international supplier requires you developing a structure. You see, your raw material sourcing must have a quality control system that runs whether you are around or not. And this is all part of building a structure. Your production process must be top-notch and must run without you there or not. Again, documentation is the key in these processes, and I recommend you implement standards such as GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point systems across your production process. These standards will help you to develop and build structures that will run without you. Now, you also need to work on your packaging, as you will never scale if your packaging is not unique. Big buyers are already overwhelmed with too many suppliers, so your product must be unique to attract those big buyers. You need to work on your brand image, improve your presence on social media, consistently post testimonial videos and success stories. Use top-notch delivery companies who will deliver when they say they will. Be wary of using the cheapest and unreliable companies. They will destroy your business. Again, be consistent and always keep your promises to your buyers. You see, once buyers see your reliability, they start referring you to others. And this consistency is what turns you from a small exporter to a very big one. Again, follow these tips. And again, if you need more tips on how to grow your export business, be sure to subscribe and follow me.